Of course, if you're actually in full water, it would look even better. Hello my friends, today we're looking over this remote control Dinosaur. You can pause the video right there to read some info. But this is going to make a great gift. We're going to be giving this as a gift for somebody, so we got to be careful with how we open our box and the accessories because we want to put everything back the way we got it. Okay, my friends. There is a manual inside the box. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool looking. Woo, look at those teeth. No, let me go. All right. Let's see all the accessories. It looks like, is that 2 batteries? Wow. They give you 2 batteries. Charging cable. Are these the propellers or are they just spare? I think they're spare. Yes, they're spare. That's awesome. Okay. Looks like you just place the battery under here like this. Okay, so you turn this, make sure that's flush, push this in, pop it in, twist this like that, and it looks like it just automatically comes on. It's going to be trying to pair with our remote. Looks like you need 2 AAA batteries. They do not supply you with batteries, so make sure you have at least 2 AAA batteries. Okay. So it looks like it probably has to sink and be in the water for it to work because it's not doing anything. We're going to go ahead. Let's turn that off. We'll leave it like that for now. Let's put everything on here. All right. So it looks like this would go down in here, and we press down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so lining it up might be a little tough. You kind of push down a little bit and you line it up to find the hole. There we go. And then it pops in place. So again, place it in the hole, push up, and it pops in place. Well, that's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool.